Now let's look at the future tense. Okay, so simple future tense is when we simply state the facts that is going to happen in the future. Okay, so positive में we have the subject, then we add will to it plus come. Okay, base form of the main verb. Then I will come, you will come, we will come. Okay, positive. And when we are converting it to negative, we just add not, and question में will को I के पहले लगाते हैं. Now when do we use simple future tense? When we express facts about the future, something that is going to happen in future. About then to talk about what we think will happen in the future. When we think that I think this will happen. Okay. Then when we decide to do something at the time of speaking, we will use will. Okay, so you're not doing the action right now, but you're saying that you are going to do it, so we use will. Future में करेंगे मतलब. Then future continuous, that means you're going to continue doing it in the future. I will be playing football, so we use I subject, then we use will plus be, and playing I continuous है तो we will be using the ing form of the verb. Okay, so I will be playing football, and we use will. Okay, will I, and the negative के rules are same, and rules for interrogative are also same. Continuous means ing has to be there, and along with ing you have to add be to it. And when do we use it? When we talk about actions which will be in progress at some time in the future. मतलब वो future में होगा, but it will be happening in the future. मतलब continue होगा, हो रहा होगा future में. When we talk about planned actions or actions expected to happen, that you've already planned. I will be meeting you. Okay, so that is planned for the future. Then to express a polite question, the interrogative form of the future continuous is used. To ask nicely or politely, we use will you be staying here tonight? That is a polite method. Now future perfect. Future में वो हो गया, finish, perfect, it is done. So when we are making it into future perfect tense, we will use I will have. I plus will plus have plus the past participle of the verb. Okay, so why do we use past participle? Because वो finish हो गया है. Okay, it is done. So I'll या फिर I will have worked. Okay, then similarly negative and interrogative के rules are same. We will have worked. Okay, then we use future perfect to express an action which is expected to be completed by a certain time in future. मतलब वो complete हो गया होगा but future में. Okay, now then for future perfect continuous, मतलब वो future में हो रहा होगा perfect एक होने के बाद. So here we use I subject, will plus have plus been, or and because it is continuous the ing form of the verb. I will have been starting. Future में you are saying that you will have been starting. She will have been starting, etc. Now when do we use future perfect continuous? To talk about an action that is continuous before some point in the future. Okay, मतलब वो एक particular time पे पहुँचने के पहले it was continuous. Okay, so it is similar to past perfect continuous. By next May he will have been teaching here for 7 years. Okay, तो next May आने के पहले talk about an action that is continuous before some point, right? So that point is May, next May. That next May मतलब we are talking about future. So next May आने के पहले he will have been teaching continuous for 7 years. Okay, वो point आने के पहले वो the action was happening. Okay, so with this I hope the question future tense is clear.